Namaskar. Plastic containers are undeniable convenience. They are lightweight, durable, and inexpensive, making them the go-to choice for a food storage for most of us nowadays. From takeout boxes to storage solutions, plastic has become integral part of our daily lives. But behind this convenience, storing food in plastic container and reheating them can have serious health concerns. Studies have shown that putting hot things in plastic containers or reheating food in plastic may cause serious health issues like cancer. Let's look at the various health hazards of the plastic containers. The first health hazard comes from the small parts of plastics leaking into our food. This happens when we put hot food in a plastic container, like when you are getting your food delivered. Studies have shown that certain chemicals in plastic can leach out and seep into the food and beverages we consume. This leaching process increases when plastic is exposed to heat, such as when microwaving leftover or placing hot food directly into plastic containers. The result is the higher dose of chemically harmful products making their way into our body. Constant exposure to such harmful chemicals may also lead to serious conditions like cancer. These chemicals are carcinogenous. The next danger of using plastic comes from the notorious chemical found in the plastic container, that is bisphenol A or BPA. BPA has been linked to a range of health problems, including breast cancer, uterine cancer, and increased risk of miscarriage and decrease of testosterone level. Even small amount of BPA can disrupt the endocrine system, leading to serious long-term health issues. Other chemicals in plastics, such as phthalates, have been associated with metabolic disorders, increasing obesity and reduced fertility. When plastic containers are heated, leaching of these harmful substances increases, making the act of reheating food in plastic container is a very serious health hazard. And did you know that plastic food containers can also increase the risk of bacterial contamination? Some containers, especially those with grouped or leafed surfaces, can harbor bacteria, which can contaminate the food inside. This can lead to gastrointestinal distress or even food poisoning. Because of these potential dangers of plastic container, it's essential to consider safer alternatives for food storage and reheating. Here are some practical solutions. First, use glass or stainless steel container, which are free from harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates. They do not leach substances into your food even when heated. They are durable, easy to clean, and do not retain odors or stains from food. Next, avoid microwaving food in plastic. Even if your plastic container is labeled as microwave safe, it's best to transfer food into glass or ceramic dish before reheating. This reduces the risk of chemical leach and ensure that food remains safe to eat. Then be mindful of containers' wear and tear. Discard plastic containers that are scratched, cracked, or worn. Damaged plastic can leach chemical more easily and may harbor bacteria in cracks and scratches. Fourth, you can also go for some natural options like ceramics or leaf-based containers to store your food. Like plastic containers offer undeniable convenience, they come with hidden dangers, and that can affect your health. By understanding the risk associated with storing and reheating in plastic, you can make a healthier choices which should protect your health. Choosing safer alternatives like glass or stainless steels and being mindful of how you choose plastic can help a lot in reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals and bacteria. This small step can also save you from the danger of cancer. In the end, The extra effort is worth the peace of mind that comes with your food and understanding how health is connected to it. And so, take charge, think before using anything, and be safe. Namaskar.